This role plays so an emergency situation at sea using its F-Channel 16. The motor vessel Sea Breeze is operating close to the coastline in poor visibility. Due to strong winds and heavy sails, the vessel runs aground on rocks. The hull is damaged and the vessel is tugging on motor. The crew prepares emergency equipment and puts on life jackets.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. This motor vessel, Sea Breeze, Sea Breeze, Sea Breeze. Mayday, Sea Breeze. Our position is 2 nautical miles east of Kapiraki Point. Position 5, 1 degrees 3, 0 decimal 2 minutes north. 0, 0, 1 degrees 15 decimal 6 minutes west. We are grounded on rocks close to the coastline in poor visibility. The hull is damaged and we are taking on water. Heavy seas are causing the vessel to pound, and there is a serious risk of the vessel breaking up. We require immediate assistance and possible evacuation. There are 6 persons on board. We are wearing life jackets and have deployed distress signals. Over.
The Coast Guard has received the mayday call. The situation on board is being assessed.
Coast Guard, this is Sea Breeze. We confirm we are hard aground on rocks. Water ingress is increasing despite winds pumping. Engine is stopped and we have no propulsion. Visibility is poor due to rain and sea spray. Wind is approximately 4-6 from the southwest. Over.
The vessel now provides more details about the damage, weather, and condition of the ship.
Motor vessel Sea Breeze. This is Coast Guard.
The Coast Guard requests information on the assistance required.
Sea Breeze, what assistance is required?
The vessel responds and requests urgent rescue assistance.
Coast Guard, Sea Breeze. We are required rescue assistance. A lifeboat and medical report may be required. We are preparing to abandon ship if the situation deteriorates. Over.
The Coast Guard now check the safety equipment and readiness of the crew.
Sea Breeze, are you able to deploy any safety equipment?
The crew confirms that all safety equipment is ready and all persons are protected.
Safety status update. Coast Guard, Sea Breeze, all persons are in life jackets. Grab bag and emergency equipment are ready. Life raft standing by, but not yet employed. We will await further instruction. Over.
Though worsening weather and increasing hull damage, the situation becomes critical. This concludes the BHF Mayday Distress Communication Role Play. That's all. Thank you.
Over.